Sean Diddy Combs, a titan of the music industry and the founder of Bad Boy Records, finds himself embroiled in a complex legal battle that continues to attract widespread media attention. Currently, he is facing severe allegations including sex trafficking and racketeering, which have resulted in his incarceration. A recent ruling from New York Judge Arun Subramanian has compounded his challenges, as the judge denied a request from Combs' legal team for a gag order. This order sought to prevent government officials from leaking sensitive information regarding the case to the media. In his ruling on Friday, Judge Subramanian made it clear that his decision was not based on any determinations of wrongdoing at this stage of the proceedings. To be clear, this order isn't based on a finding that there has been any wrongdoing thus far, as the court has made no findings at this juncture relating to defendants' allegations that information related to the case has been leaked, he stated in a written opinion. Instead, the judge emphasized that the primary goal of this order is to safeguard the integrity of the judicial process and ensure that no actions interfere with Combs' right to a fair trial. This clarification is significant, as it highlights the delicate balance courts must strike between protecting the rights of defendants and the public's right to be informed. Combs' legal representatives have been vocal in their assertions that the media coverage surrounding the case has the potential to influence public perception and ultimately affect the outcome of the trial. Following the judge's ruling, representatives for Combs were not available to comment, leaving many to speculate on how this decision will impact their strategy moving forward. The denial of the gag order is particularly notable given the backdrop of allegations made by Combs' attorneys against federal agents. They claim that sensitive security footage depicting Combs in a compromising position with his ex-girlfriend, Cassie Ventura, was leaked to the media. This video, which reportedly shows Combs engaging in violent behavior, has become a focal point in the case and has raised serious concerns about the ethics of evidence handling in high-profile legal matters. According to court documents obtained by Page 6, Combs' team alleges that this footage was given to CNN in May, with the intention of tarnishing Combs' reputation and hampering his ability to defend himself against the serious charges he faces. The alleged incident depicted in the video reportedly took place in 2016 at the Intercontinental Hotel in Century City, California. In this footage, Combs is seen kicking, pulling, and dragging Ventura, an event that has significant implications for the prosecution's case. Combs' legal team has argued that the release of this footage was a deliberate attempt to damage his public image and prejudice potential jurors. They contend that rather than using the video as evidence in a fair and proper manner, government agents misused it to sway public opinion in a way that could be detrimental to Combs' defense. In the legal documents submitted to the court, Combs' attorneys emphasized that the actions of the federal agents were designed to mortally wound his reputation. They described the leaking of the video as an act that undermines the very foundations of a fair judicial process. Rather than using the videotape as trial evidence, alongside other evidence that gives it context and meaning, the agents misused it in the most prejudicial and damaging way possible, the documents stated. This assertion raises important questions about the role of evidence in high-stakes trials and how public exposure can impact legal proceedings. However, the federal government has strongly denied these allegations. In a letter addressed to the judge, government representatives stated unequivocally, the government was not in possession of the video before its publication by CNN. They further insisted that there is no factual basis for Combs' claims, emphasizing that the video was not leaked in violation of any grand jury secrecy laws. This counterclaim by the government adds another layer of complexity to the case, underscoring the contentious nature of the legal battle and the stakes involved for both parties. As the legal proceedings continue, the implications extend beyond just Combs himself. They touch on larger societal issues regarding celebrity culture, media ethics, and the judicial system. The case has become a focal point for discussions about how media coverage can influence public perception, particularly in cases involving prominent figures. The potential for bias introduced by sensationalized media narratives is a pressing concern, particularly in a world where information spreads rapidly and often lacks context. Moreover, the case serves as a reminder of the power dynamics at play in the intersection of fame and the law. Combs' celebrity status adds a layer of complexity to the proceedings, as the public's fascination with his life and career can overshadow the critical legal issues at stake. This scenario raises questions about the fairness of trials involving high-profile defendants and the extent to which public opinion can sway judicial outcomes. As the trial date approaches, many will be watching closely to see how the legal strategies evolve in light of the recent ruling. Combs' defense team will likely need to adapt their approach, considering the ongoing media scrutiny and the implications of any potential leaks. The denial of the gag order is a clear signal that the court is aware of the potential for bias and is attempting to mitigate any interference with the trial process. The ruling also serves as a critical juncture in Combs' legal journey, as he must navigate not only the serious charges against him but also the public perception shaped by media coverage and alleged leaks. As the case unfolds, the legal ramifications will likely resonate beyond the courtroom, influencing future discussions around celebrity trials, media ethics, and the role of public opinion in the judicial process. In summary, Sean Combs' legal challenges highlight the intricate relationship between fame, media, and the justice system. The implications of the recent ruling against the gag order are profound, reflecting the ongoing struggle to balance the rights of the accused with the need for transparency and fairness in legal proceedings. As this case continues to develop, it will undoubtedly remain at the forefront of public discourse, serving as a case study for the complexities of navigating high-stakes legal battles in the public eye. The intersection of celebrity culture and the law is fraught with challenges, and the outcome of Combs' case may set significant precedents for how similar situations are handled in the future.